Part 1. Discovery and Teardown, midnight to 4 o'clock. Midnight to 0:30, Junkyard Discovery. A wide shot reveals an abandoned British racing green Jaguar E-Type Series 1 1961, half buried under weeds in an American Midwest junkyard. Rusty panels glint under morning fog. The camera slowly pans across the car, lingering on cracked headlights and faded paint, while soft wind whistles provide a calming ASMR ambience. 0:30 to 1 o'clock, close-up details. Macro shots focus on the dust-covered Jaguar emblem, cracked glass, and rusted bonnet. The mechanic wipes grime slowly, letting each stroke and metallic creak be felt. Every small detail is emphasized to convey the car's decades of neglect. 1 to 1:30, transport to workshop. The car is carefully winched onto a flatbed, tires stuck in mud, slowly lifted. Wide-angle shot captures the American countryside as the Jaguar is rolled into a premium restoration workshop with polished concrete floors, overhead lighting, and neatly arranged tools.
1:30, 2:30 exterior cleaning.
The car undergoes an ASMR-style wash. Pressure washer rinses mud. Thick foam covers the British racing green body. Chrome trim is brushed delicately, wheels scrubbed individually. Water drips slowly. Soap suds glisten under warm workshop lights.
2:30, 3:30 interior dismantling.
Mechanics remove seats, peel back worn carpets, unscrew dashboard knobs, and carefully take out the steering wheel. Dust floats in slow-motion rays of sunlight through workshop windows. Each sound, the click of a bolt, the scraping of the carpet, is amplified for ASMR effect.
3:30, 4 rust removal and chassis prep.
Wire brushes, angle grinders, and rust converters are used to remove corrosion. Welded floor panels are cooled. The stripped chassis gleams under the workshop lights, ready for the mechanical rebuild. Part 2. Mechanical restoration and body refinishing, 4 to 8 o'clock. 4 to 4:30, engine out and inspection. The engine is carefully lifted with a hoist and placed on a rotating stand. Mechanics examine each component under soft lighting. Oil-stained pistons are extracted, valves removed, and the engine block prepared for rebuilding. 4:30 to 5:30, engine rebuild, 5 mechanics working. All 5 mechanics work in harmony. Bearings pressed in, gaskets placed carefully, valves polished, throttle linkages reassembled, and torque wrenches click softly. Chrome and painted parts gleam, every hand motion deliberate and satisfying.
5h30, 6h30, intercarriage et suspension.
Suspension arms are sandblasted, painted satin black, bushings pressed in, and brake lines routed neatly. Mechanics wipe, polish, and inspect, each movement slow and precise.
6:30, 7:30 bodywork y primer.
Dents are tapped out, filler applied, and long-standing strokes smooth imperfections. Gray primer is sprayed in soft, overlapping layers. The team works quietly, creating a hypnotic ASMR rhythm. 7:30 to 8 o'clock, painting and clear coat. The British racing green paint is sprayed in multiple thin coats. Clear coat is applied slowly, gliding over curves. Workshop lighting highlights the wet reflections. Mechanics step back and inspect each panel, ensuring every curve gleams. Part 3. Final assembly and cinematic reveal, 8 to 12 o'clock. 8 to 9 o'clock, engine and suspension reinstallation. The rebuilt engine is lowered into the bay. Hoses, wiring, suspension, and brakes are reassembled carefully. Each bolt is torqued, each hose adjusted, with soft clicks and brush surfaces amplified for ASMR effect.
9:10 interior reassembly.
Sound-deadening material is laid, new carpets fitted, leather seats installed, dashboard knobs reattached, and steering wheel mounted. Mechanics polish chrome trim and glass, ensuring every surface shines. 10 to 11 o'clock, first start and workshop showcase. The driver turns the key. The inline-6 engine roars to life with smooth idling. Exhaust notes reverberate gently. Mechanics step back, hands off, letting the Jaguar sit gleaming under the warm American workshop lights. Close-ups emphasize engine bay, wire wheels, badges, and leather interior textures. 11 to 12 o'clock, road reveal and speed buildup. Cut to the fully restored British racing green Jaguar E-Type Series 1961 gliding down an open American highway. The driver's hands on the wheel, dashboard in sharp focus. Speed gradually increases as camera slowly tracks alongside. Sunlight glints off curves and wire wheels. Macro shots of leather and chrome detail, engine reflections, and exhaust tips give tactile satisfaction. A slow orbit shot finishes with a hero-wide shot of the Jaguar cruising freely, a legendary car reborn, blending classic European elegance with American road freedom.
Emotion. Yes. Let's tap it in, show. That gets quiet. That's you know. Grazie a favorito. The cut tweak side slide. Want to be optimized to level the screen. For the field flow ready to fight. tão de instant pamilya.